Okay, I am making this beautiful scrambled eggs, and what I have in here are onions, bell peppers, red bell peppers, some cremini mushrooms, a little bit of pinch of salt, which is going to add, it's going to help soften those veggies. And so they're pretty well done, and I added just a little bit of oil. I'm going to add a little bit more oil in there. Good fat is always good. And then I'm going to go ahead and toss some of my spinach. And this is a good, healthy, easy to make food. Okay, and just mix that up like that. Okay. Good enough. I'm going to add some of my blackened salmon that I made. Yep. And then I have 1 egg and 1 egg white mixed together. And I add it at the same time because they're both cold. And this can actually be like an omelet, but I'm making it into like a nice scrambled. Okay. I'm going to turn it off because this is a cast iron skillet and I don't want to overcook my eggs. Telling you, you could put that in a burrito or you could have it without any grains, or if you want to add some salsa. I'm going to eat this with some salsa, some of my salsa verde that I made. Yep, and there you have a nice scramble. And I think it's healthy. Got a lot of protein in there. You got your veggies and yum. Okay, and that's what I wanted to show you.